Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to show you how I make my roasted bang bang salmon. It is bang bang good, so good. It requires like 5 ingredients. It's truly delicious. You can do this with shrimp. You can do this with, pretty much anything. It is so delicious. I've got my oven preheated to 425. You can do this in the air fryer. You can do this on the grill. You can do this anywhere you want, my friend. I've got 3 really beautiful pieces of salmon. These are, I think they're pronounced coho salmon fillets. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. There's only 3 of us eating dinner tonight, so 3 will do. And now to that, I've got a mixture here of granulated garlic, onion, a little thyme, a little bit of all-purpose herb seasoning. You can use something like Mrs. Dash garlic and herb salt-free, pinch of salt, and a little sprinkle of Cajun seasoning or cayenne, whichever, because I like a little bit of heat, okay? I like a little bit of something yum, 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 you know? And I'm gonna put this actually onto the salmon itself before we put the bang bang sauce on, because you know me, I just think every layer should be deliciously flavored, and this just gives you a nice little boost of deliciousness, right? Perfect. Pat that in. That one's skimpy. What did he do to me? Now, bang bang sauce is really, really easy, and it is made out of 3 ingredients. It is 2 to 1, so double the amount of mayo, 2 to sweet chili sauce, and a squirt, or a little spoonful of sriracha. I like to use sambal, which is a ground fresh chili paste. It is wildly spicy, but it is my absolute favorite. Joe loves heat, so I'll make him like a bowl of ramen, eggs, anything, and he will dollop some of this on, and it just makes my mouth water. It's so delicious. Speaking of sweet chili sauce, the Mayploy, in my eyes, is the only sweet chili sauce that should ever live. It's so unbelievably delicious, and it's my favorite. So I pour a good amount of that over there, okay? Probably a little bit more, because I'm gonna make extra sauce, because I want to drizzle this. And I'm gonna show you how I serve it, because I serve this over cooked rice with some cucumber and some avocado, and then more sauce on top, and it is just like what my dinner dreams are made of, especially when time and patience is of the essence. A little bit of your sriracha or whatever spicy sauce you are using, and give it a stir and taste. If you want more chili sauce, add more chili sauce. If you want more spice, add more spice. Let's see. Shockingly, I want more spice. Oh, that's good. Oh, that is dreamy. And I made a lot, because I'm going to keep this in the fridge, because I made a huge pot. Wait till I show you the colander of rice, because when I tell you, you're my friend. So when I tell you, sorry for the finger, but I'm Italian. When I tell you that we love something, you know it's for real, you know? You know I'm not making it up. When we say something is like a fave around here, trust me. And a bowl of pretty much any protein with this sauce on it and rice is just heavenly. So I make a lot, and then I store it in my fridge. Just smear that sauce really nicely. These are going to go into the oven for just 10 minutes at 425. This is going to take like no time at all, so you might want to get your rice going before you pop these into the oven, so that everything is ready at the same time. Look at that beautiful salmon. Now you can see one is missing. You can see my bowl is ready and already has a bite taken off out of it. We had just a minor technical difficulty where you couldn't hear me in the last shot, but all is well. All is well. You know me. You know I go right into the food, okay? This is like my idea of heaven. You have a big, heavy base of rice. You've got your salmon. Now this salmon does have the skin. I sort of eat around it. And then you do a little rice. You do your cucumber, and you can see I drizzled extra sauce. It is so dynamite. That sauce, like, it's encrusted into the salmon, and it is next level delicious. like if you wanted to have the flavor of a conny salad, but in an adult dinner version. It's dynamite. Go to laurainthekitchen.com for the written recipe. Hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.